What's up, Mini fans? I'm here outside in November at my local Mini of Rochester dealership, and I'm here because they have a 1499 GT. And so what is that car? Well, this car is kind of a throwback to the 1275 GT and the classic Cooper. It's kind of a really sporty car at a really good budget price. Now, if you haven't seen this car before, it's because they're super rare. There's only about 150 or so in the US, only 30 of which are manual. This one happens to be an automatic, but if you're looking for an automatic, there's one here. And yeah, this car is really cool. Let's check it out. It's a lot of black on black. It's a really sporty looking car with some JCW parts on it, and it looks really sharp. So you notice that there's black headlights, black grille slats, black grille surround. There's the black emblem. There's a little even matte black decal in here around the lights, which I find super cool. We've got just a plain black side scuttle, black mirror caps, black roof. Not sure why we don't have black door handles or black waistline trim, but if you check out my two videos on how to replace these parts, one for the door handle, one for the waistline trim, you can see you can do it yourself and make them the Mini piano black part. We got this nice gold decal down the side of on both sides of the car, down at the lower sill. Black wheels with JCW center caps, black Mini logo, black Cooper badge, black taillight trim. So here we are inside the 1499 GT, and it's continuing that all black theme throughout. All the trim in here is black, which looks really nice, really premium. We've got the JCW steering wheel and these nice JCW seats. And we have the new digital dash, which is cool. And as you can see, black trim everywhere inside. So yeah, super really sporty looking car. I really like it a lot, and yeah, if you could find one of these, it's a pretty rare find. Find one of these in manual, even more rare find. But yeah, this is the inside of the 1499 GT. So yeah, that's the look at the 1499 GT. Really digging the sporty stripe on the side and the black on black look everywhere. Just changed that belt line and door handle to the black one. Black parts would be really cool. But if you're interested in this car, come check out Mini of Rochester. Talk to Ryan, he'll help you out with it. Super cool car. Tell me what you think about it in the comments below. Leave any questions if you have any. Subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, don't forget to wave, especially if you see one of these driving down the road. Catch you in the next one. And the waistline beltline trim and beltline trim. So waistline trim, beltline trim, and the beltline trim.